Welcome to Learning Plan 5, Neurodevelopment Disorders. In this learning plan, you will explore the signs and symptoms of neurocognitive disorders. You'll learn how to use the DSM diagnostic criteria to identify specific disorders typically associated with children. I think that most of us had assumptions that we knew about ADHD and other disorders, but it's amazing when you read through the very complex symptoms in the DSM, how you realize you weren't aware of how many different symptoms apply to this disorder and other disorders of childhood. This learning plan introduces the concept of severity ratings and focuses on the most common disorders of childhood. Some issues to explore are family issues faced when a child exhibits the symptoms, services available for care, and the potential of stigmatization after diagnosis. Would you know where to send someone in your community if their child was suffering from ADHD and they didn't know where to go for help? As always, I always look through these thinking practical things like that. How could you help someone if you were in that position? Okay, let's look through your Learning Plan 5 checklist. So you're going to read Morrison on neurodevelopmental disorders. You'll read page 31 through 86 in DSM-5. You're going to watch ADHD, watch drugs, dopamine. You're going to watch Child of Anger, watch Dear Teacher, watch Are We Over-Diagnosing ADHD? I've worked with several child psychiatrists and they both have a different answer, so it's a little controversial. But I assure you, some people, in my opinion, need medications and perhaps some do not. You make your own determination what you think. You should participate in your case study discussion and participate in discussion on Learning Plan 5. Okay, one last thing in Learning Plan 5. You should start working on your behavior assessment, your case paper. It's not due until Learning Plan 13. However, this is one of those bigger assignments that I think you should get a move on earlier so you don't wait till the last minute and get all stressed out. So you're going to write up your case. If you feel that your history is consistent with one of the diagnoses we've studied, it meets the criteria, you may write a story that protects your identity while challenging the reader to correctly diagnose what the true diagnosis is. And you may need to add in supporting material to fit the diagnosis best. You would create a case, and the diagnosis will be your specific disorder, whatever medical issues were prominent, your psychosocial issues, or other identifiers. This is a 3-part assignment. So please ask me if there's any questions or concerns about this assignment, but I would skip to Learning Plan 13 and look it through and see if you can start beginning on it in Learning Plan 5. Once again, if you have questions or concerns, please contact me. I hope you're learning a lot in this class. Take care.